I like how it's the same voice actress in all of them.
Yeah, she's a queen.
I like how she's like clean and beautiful still.
I told you, look at her eyelashes. Literally, mascara could never. Look at that.
Oh, yes! Wow! Let's go!
Survival!
Barbie! Barbie, let's go! Let's fucking go!
This Barbie looks way different than the others that I've seen in these movies. She looks different. She looks younger?
Well, yeah. I think she's around like 16.
Oh, fuck. My neighbor sent me a message.
No! Oh, Vesper.
I don't think they heard Barbie. I think they just hear me screaming.
This poor man.
All right, no more. I'm no longer a Barbie stan.
Why?
No.
What happened?
My neighbor sent me a text.
He got a noise
Like,
complaint.
what the fuck are you doing up there?
Oh.
Grown man watching a Barbie movie.
Yeah.
Hey, that's what? There's nothing wrong with that. It's good content.
Tell them that Barbie threw a spear and they'll understand.
Yeah. Barbie killed it, dude.
Yeah.